All right, language explorers. So let's look at this Sunday's Sunday preposition. So above, above, above. Yeah. Overhead, over, over, head, head, overhead. At the highest level, at the highest level, above. I put it above the shelf. The lamp is above my head. Lamp. A lamp. The roof is above us. What can you see above them? What can you see above them? Yeah. Look up above. Look up above. Look above. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? We are flying above the sea. Yeah. I am walking above the... anything above the floor, above the crowd. For example, is the crowd, and I'm walking above them on a rail, perhaps. We are flying above the mountains now. The mountains. Yeah. We are above the city. Yeah. If you look down, you can see that we are above the city. How cool is that? Yeah. We walked above them. Yeah, so I walked above them. He walks above the others. She went above her duty. It only works when above sea level. They must be above the clouds by now. Yeah. It is above the books on the bookshelf. Look above the books and you can find it. You can find or see it. Here's the books. So look above the books. Yeah. How cool is that? I'm talking above them. Yeah, I'm talking above them. Here's all the people, the crowd. I need to shout above them to be heard. I need to shout above them to be heard. Across the room. Yeah, above them, across the room. She will look for a way above the road. Yes, we need to find a way above the sea. We can't walk on it. Yeah. How can I get above this floor? How can I get above them? So they're here. How can I get above them to stand above them? Above them. How? I'm not so sure. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. So above, overhead, at the highest level. Yeah. Above the shelf, above the sea. Above my head. Whoa, I didn't understand that. Just above my head. The ceiling is above my head. The ceiling is above my head. How cool is that? So, can you use above in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. Yeah, and Udemy when you search for my name, Adrian Nanchev. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.